In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule a meeting on Google Calendar. Whether there's been a change in your schedule or you need to accommodate others, rescheduling meetings on Google Calendar is a breeze once you know how. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step, ensuring you know exactly what to do with clear, easy to follow instructions. First, you'll want to start by opening your Google Calendar. This is where you manage all your events and appointments. You can do this from any device connected to the internet, whether you're on a desktop computer, tablet, or smartphone. Just ensure you're logged into the correct Google account that hosts your calendar. Next, find the meeting that you need to reschedule. Navigate through your calendar by scrolling or using the navigation control to find the exact event. Once you've located it, simply click on the meeting. This will open a pop-up with all the event details. In this pop-up, you'll see an option to edit the meeting, which is represented by a pencil icon. Click this pencil or edit icon to take you to the event's detailed editing page. This is where you can make all necessary changes to the meeting specifics. Once you're in the edit mode, you have the flexibility to change the date and time. If you prefer a more visual method, you can drag and drop the event to a new time slot if you're viewing the calendar in day or week mode. This feature is particularly handy if you're juggling several events and need a quick overview of your availability. But remember, sometimes dragging and dropping is only possible on the desktop version, so bear that in mind if you're working from a mobile device. If you decide to change the date or time, it might be useful to add a note in the description section. Something as simple as rescheduled to can be very helpful for clarity on why the change was made. Once you've made all necessary adjustments, it's crucial to save these changes. Locate the Save button, which is usually at the top of the page, and click it. Upon doing so, you'll be asked if you'd like to send updates. Choose to send updates to ensure all participants are notified of the new meeting details. This step is vital as it ensures participants will automatically see the updated time on their calendars. And there you have it. You've successfully rescheduled your meeting on Google Calendar. With these steps, you can easily manage your time and adapt to changes as they come. Thanks for following.